Good morning, my dear students. Om Asato Ma Satgamaya Tamaso Ma Jyotirgamaya Mrityorma Amrutam Gamaya Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Vakratunda Mahakaya Suryakoti Samarprabha Nirvignan Kurume Devo Sarvakaryasu Sarvada. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Om Shant. Good morning, my dear students. Today I am going to take class for UKG on that numeracy skills workbook. Okay, I am going to explain the concept in numeracy skills workbook. Okay, alright. So in the previous class we have studied up to numbers, before number, after number, number name, put the numbers in correct order, small number, bigger number, etc. And today let's learn the new things. The things are like as you are familiar with a bigger number and a smaller number, right? You are familiar with the comparing numbers up to I think 50, right? We are familiar with writing numbers up to 50. Clear? So here greater than and less than concept. Today I am going to explain you greater than and less than concepts. Okay, Mr. Crocodile is very hungry. Mr. Crocodile is very hungry. He wants to eat lots of fish. When he opens his mouth, he can hold more fish in the farm than at the back. Okay, the crocodile is very hungry. He wants to eat a lot of fish. When he opens his mouth, he can hold more fish in the front than at the back. Okay, this is his mouth. Whenever the crocodile opens the mouth, it eats the maximum numbers, more numbers. Okay, means greater numbers is going to eat, not lesser numbers. Clear? So by this way, when it opens the mouth, this symbol is formed like this, this angle is formed like this. This is called greater. Okay, this is called greater. This is front. This is the front crocodile. This is the back crocodile. Whereas when it eats the less number of fish, then it opens like this. It means that the sign for the greater number is this. The sign for the lesser number is this. This is a sign towards right side, towards right. This is towards left. This symbol marked. This is towards right and towards left. Okay, means the greater than, this means the less than. This is less than symbol. Okay, so how do we do that? So for example, I came to your home, bought some chocolates. 10 chocolates I bought. Right? Out of 10 chocolates, I have given you around 7 chocolates. Rest 3 chocolates I gave to your brother or sister. It means that to whom I have given more number of chocolates? 7 to you, 3 to your brother or sister. To whom I have given more number of chocolates? Of course you. I have given more number of chocolates to you. Right? 7 means more. 7 chocolates means more. 3 chocolates means less. Right? So here Let's consider an example. We'll count the objects here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 flowers are there. Here 2 flowers. In number, which is more? This is more. 6 is more than 2. 6 flowers are more than 2 flowers. 6 flowers are more than 2 flowers. The way we say is 6 is greater than 2. If you write this much, 6, symbol this and 2, that can be read as, we say 6 is greater than 2. 6 is greater than 2. 6 is greater than 2. We say 6 is greater than 2. Okay? Clear? Now, whereas when we compare like this, 2 flowers here and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 flowers here. It means that 2 is less than 6. Number 2 is lesser than 6 number. These objects are less than these objects. Means number of objects are here 2, number of objects are here 6. It means that 2 is less than 6. We say 2 is less than 6. 2 is less than 6. Okay? This is the greater than symbol and this is the less than symbol. Greater than, less than symbol. Let's do some more activities so that you can understand. Okay? Come here. Come on. So, put less than sign or greater than sign. This is less than sign towards left side. This is right than sign, greater than sign. The first 2 are done for you. First 2 are done for you, right? Here 2 horses, here 1 horse. Here more number of horses than here. It means here 2 numbers of horses, here 1 number of horse. So we can say 2 is greater than 1. 2 is greater than 1. Okay? And here 1, 2, 3. 3 less than 4. 1, 2, 3. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. In which side you have a more number of erasers? This side is more. This side is less. So we are comparing this with this. So we need to say 3 is less than 4. With whom it is? With which number we are comparing? 3 we are comparing with 4. Means 3 is less than 4. Right? 3 is less than 4. Okay? So here we have some more objects here. How many objects are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 objects. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 5, here 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Write down 5 here. And this 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Means which number is greater? This number or this number? Of course, these are more than this. These are more than this. So that 5 is greater than 4. 5 is, this is the greater than symbol. Put this greater than symbol. 5 is greater than 4. Okay? Right. Next is this. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 bricks. Right? Write 8 here. Okay? How many are here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 objects. Write down 4 here. And which is having more number of objects here? In this group, there are more number of objects here, less number of objects. So which is more than? Which is more? Of course, this is more. 8 is greater than 4. This is more than this. This is more than this. 8 is more than 4 means 8 is greater than 4. 8 is greater than 4. This is the symbol. So pointing towards right. If it pointing towards left means it is less. Pointing towards less. Pointing towards left is less. Pointing towards right is more. Right? Followed? The crocodile opens the mouth, which is more in number. More in number. Right? Followed? Right. So here, how many stars are here? count and write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 stars. Here 1, 2, 1, 2, 2 stars. Right? 2 stars. So here these are more stars than this, more objects than this, more objects than this, so that 5 is more than 2. So in other words, 5 is greater than 2. 5 is greater than 2. Right? Okay. Next example is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 mobile phones here. Write 6. And here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 cell phones here. 6 and here 8. 6 and 8. And here in this case, here are more number of objects, there are more number of cell phones, here less number of cell phones. So 6, these are less than this. This is less than this. Okay, 6 is less than 8. So less than symbol is this. The crocodile opens the mouth this side, right, and the pointing towards left side. So 6 is less than 8. 6 is less than 8. Followed? Any doubts? Just work, watch this video, listen to it carefully, and then try to work. I'm sure that you can able to solve this. Okay? Next here, count and write again. Count and write and compare. Count and write and compare. Okay? So count and write. Just we need to put the less than sign and greater than sign. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 objects. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here 7. Which group is having more number of objects? Which group is having more number of objects? Of course this group. So that we need to say this is greater than this. This group objects are more than this group objects. Here are 8, here are 7. So 8 is greater than 7. Followed. Next is here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here are 5 and 1, 2, 3, 3. So in this group we have more number of objects than this group. Clear? We are comparing this group with this group so that this group objects are more than this group. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 1, 2, 3 means 5 is greater than 3. Okay? See the mark. The always crocodile opens the mouth which is having more number of objects. That is greater, right? When this point towards right side, this is the greater than sign. Followed. Next is right? In doubts ಏನಿಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತ ತಿಳ್ಕೋತ ಹೋಗ್ರಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತದೆ 1 2 3 ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 so ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 2 3 objects are here 1 object so that 1 2 3 is more than 1 object. That's it. This is the greater than sign. Okay, shall we compare this group objects? See here 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5 ಹೌದಾ? Which group is having more number of objects? Of course this group. So that time what we have to do is 4 is less than 5. What is the less than symbol? This is greater than. Its opposite is less than. Its opposite is less than. Okay? Any doubts? Just watch and listen to the video carefully. Then try to solve the worksheet so that you can able to solve very easily. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 objects here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 objects here. Okay, so this group objects are less than this group objects, so that we have to say 7 is less than 8. This is 7 is less than 8. Crocodile open the mouth towards more number of objects. right? So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sparrows, 5 objects here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. 5 is less than 6. This number of this group numbers are less than this group. So that 5 is less than 6. Okay? 5 is less than 6. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you need to say this is 3 and this is 4. So 3 is less than 4. 3 is less than 4. This is a less than symbol. Okay? Now do the same activity here. 1, 2, 3. 3 objects. 1, 2. 2 objects. This is more than this. So that say 3 is greater than 2. 3 is greater than 2. Same activity we will do on this page number 2. Right? Here also we do the same activity. Count and write. Put the symbol. Less than or greater than sign. Okay? Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right? Here 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here 8 is less than 10. In this group we have a less number of objects than this. So that 8 is less than 10 we need to say. 8 is less than 10. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here 4. Here 7. So here 4 is less than 7. This group objects are less than this group. So that 4 is less than 7. Okay? Followed? Alright. Next activity is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here we need to say 9 is greater than 7. This group numbers are more than this group numbers. 9 is greater than 7. Okay. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here there are 10 number of objects like apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 10 is more than 9, right? 10 is more than 9. So we need to say 10 is greater than 9. Right? So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here are 6, here are 8. So we need to say 6 is greater than 8. 6 is less than 8. This group objects are less than this. So that write less than. Right? Less than symbol. Okay? Next is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Right? 4 objects are more than 4 objects are less than more than this. 1, 2, 3. Means 4 is greater than 3. Okay? Right. So here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 objects. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 objects. Okay? So 4 is less than 10 objects. So that crocodile is going to eat these cups. So it opens the mouth this side. This is the greater than. 4 is less than 10. 4 is less than 10. Right? Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 objects here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 objects are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 objects here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? We need to say 6 is greater than 5. 6 is greater than 5. Right? Followed. So this activity focuses a skill on observation, identification, association, visual discrimination and root analysis. Okay? Followed. I am sure that you have followed these concepts. just listen to it, watch the video and listen, try to understand the concept thoroughly, then take the workbook, start working on it. Alright, here write down same numbers here, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, like that. Number names, you know, you are familiar with writing numbers up to 50, 1 to 50, right? Just write 20, 21. Once you know familiar with writing 1 to 20, you can able to write 1 to any numbers, right? 22, TWENTY, 20, TWO2, 20, 23, 23, 20, 24, okay, 25, right? 26, 27, just spell, read and write, SEVN 7, TWENTY 20, 8, EIGHT 8, 29, NINE, 30, after 29, THIRTY, 30, TH, okay, right? So here in the circle we need to write the number 2. This is 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Alright? So next number is 31 to 40. 31 to 40. Number names from 31 to 40. Alright? Say write 30, THIRTY 30, THIRTY 31, 30, 32, 33, 34, right? 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, right? 39, 40, FORTY, 40. Okay? Followed? So write properly, take your own time and complete it thoroughly. Right? Just I joined R here, so no need to join the R's. Okay? Write thoroughly. Don't write joined. THIRTY, THIRTY, 30, right? 39, 40. Clear? Up to this you write number names from 41 to 50. Writing number names from 41 to 50. Right? Writing numbers from 41 to 50. 41 to here, 31 to 40. 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Okay. Now writing number from 41 to 50. 41 to 50. We wrote numbers up to 50, right? Numbers up to 100, right? Just at least learn writing number names up to 50. 41. F-O-R-T-Y 40. O-N-E 1. This is 41. 41. 42. F-O-R-T-Y 42. T-W-O 2. 40. F-O-R-T-Y 40. 3. T-H-R-E-E 3. 44. F-O-U-R 44. 45. F-I-V-E 5. 46. 47. Right? 48. 49. 50. Right? 50. F-O-R-T-Y 40. Just 40 is common. Again you need to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? So write 41, 42, 43, 44, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Okay? Hope you have followed writing up to numbers ONE1 to 50. But ONE1 to 20 already we have written, and now in this session we are writing from 31 to 50. Alright? Clear? Next, number names. Match the number names with the numerals. Match the number names with the numerals. Right? So just same thing. Number name with the numerals. 24. Right? 25. 22. 22. 13. Just 13. Right? Again 26. Where is 26? 46. Sorry. 46. 46. 46. 39. 39. 39. 49. This is 49. 23. Where is 23? Here is 23. Right? 23. 37. 37. 14. F-O-U-R-T-E-E-N 40. Just you need to match the number names with the numerals. Match the number names with the numerals, right? So here again we have written up to 31 to 50 number names, and we did some greater than and less than activities, and we are hope you guys are familiar with the greater than and less than signs. Just listen to it, watch to it, and take your workbook, textbook and workbook. First you need to watch the video 3 to 4 times. Listen to it carefully. Then take your books and sit for working. Otherwise, you can't able to follow the concept. Just I don't want you people to ink the paper. Listen, watch, understand, think, then ink. I mean to say, watch the video, listen carefully, understand all the concepts, then take a pencil and work. Right? Think and work. Clear? So the concepts are listening, watching carefully, understanding all concepts, think yourself, what is what? How is this? How is this? Why is this? Right? Then try to ink on the paper. Just don't do for the purpose of completion of this work. Right? Don't do this activity just to complete and show to the school. That is not the way of completing the things. You know the concept thoroughly, then only that will help us to teach more, make you to learn more. Okay, we will be happy when you understood the concepts, not completion of the concept. Okay, right? Just to complete the assignment, don't do the work. You have to understand, follow, then you have to complete. That is the most important factor of education. Most important thing of education. Alright? Educating means what? Education is just not writing and practicing. Alright? ಜ್ಞಾನ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಜ್ಞಾನ ನಿಮ್ಮ ತಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಉಳಿಬೇಕು, ಅದು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಆವಾಗ ಜ್ಞಾನ ಸಾಗರಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಉಪಯೋಗ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಜ್ಞಾನ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಪೇಪರ್ನಾಗ ಏನೋ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ, ಇದು ನೋಡಿ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಅಳಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಟೀಚರ್ ಕೈಲಿ ಸೈನ್ ಹಾಕ್ಸ್ಕೊಂಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ರಿತ್ತು, ಕೆಲಸ ಮುಗೀತು. ದಟ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ದ ವೇ. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ದ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್. I am explaining each and every concept like very patiently, right? So that you have to make use of. These are the very important, beautiful concepts. Once you be thorough in UKG, then no one will stop you understanding the further concepts, right? Followed. ಮುಂದೆ ಬರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಯಾವುದೇ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಇರಲಿ, ಯಾವುದೇ ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ಸ್ ಇರಲಿ, ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಇರಲಿ, ಏನೇ ಇರಲಿ, ಒಂದ್ಸಲ UKG ಥರೋ ಆದ್ರೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್, ಥರ್ಡ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಮುಂದೆ ಹೈಯರ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಆಗೋದು ಹೋಗ್ತಿದೆ. Right? In the preschool, you are just preparing to the schools, right? ಆ ಸ್ಕೂಲಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅದು ಬರ್ಕೋರಿ, ಇದು ಬರ್ಕೋರಿ, ಅದು ಓದ್ರಿ, ಇದು ಓದ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಅವಾಗೆಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಪಂದಿಸ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ UKGನಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಥರೋ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಥರೋ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ಸ್. ಒಂದೊಂದು ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ವರ್ಕ್ ಆನ್. ಒಂದು ದಿವಸ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದೆನ್, ಲೆಸ್ ದೆನ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ದಿವಸ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ನಂಬರ್ ನೇಮ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಹೌದಾ? ಒಂದಿವ್ಸ ಬಿಗ್ಗರ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಒಂದಿವ್ಸ ಸ್ಮಾಲರ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಒಂದಿವ್ಸ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ನ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಒಂದು ದಿವಸ ಅಸೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್, ಡಿಸೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ನ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಒಂದೊಂದು ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಒಂದೊಂದು ದಿವಸ. ನಾನು 1 ವೀಕ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತೀನಿ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ. 1 ವೀಕಲ್ಲಿ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಒಂದು ದಿವಸ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆಯಿತು ಮುಗೀತು ನನ್ನ ಅಂತ. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ದ ವೇ, ರೈಟ್? ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ದ ವೇ ಆಫ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ದ ವರ್ಕ್. Just don't do the work for completion of your assignment. I don't want to complete your syllabus. Just I want to make you to get very much familiar with these concepts. Right? ಇದು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಭಾಳ ಫೌಂಡೇಶನ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಅದ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಕೂಡ ಭಾಳ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ನೀವು ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ನೀವು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ತಾನೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ನೀವು ಮುಂದೆ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, ಮೊದಲ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದನ್ನ ಕೇಳ್ರಿ, ವಿಡಿಯೋನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದನ್ನ ಕೇಳ್ರಿ, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಕೇರ್ಫುಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕಂತ ನೋಡಬೇಡ್ರಿ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್, ರೈಟ್? ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಸೇ ದಟ್ ವಾಚ್, ಐ ಸೇ ದಟ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್. ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವೇಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಬೆಟರ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವೇಷನ್, ರೈಟ್? ಲಿಸನ್, ರೈಟ್? ಹಿಯರ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಲಿಸನ್. ಭಾಳ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿ, ಪೇಷಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೇಳಬೇಕು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ನೋಡಬೇಕು, ಹೆಂಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡಬೇಕು. ನಂತರ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ದ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್. ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದಾರೆ ಅದು ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ನಂತರ ವಿಚಾರ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಪೇಪರ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಇಂಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ತಿಳಿತಾ? ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ವೆರಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್. Another 2 pages I will explain. So writing the number names, the same thing. What all you have written the previous pages, same you have to repeat. What is the number here? 20. What is the spelling? TWENTY, 20. What is the number here? 30. THIRTY, 30. What is the number here? 33. THREE, 33. Here 11. ELEVEN, 11. Here 39. THIRTYNINE, 39. 14. FOURTEEN, 14. Right? 18. EIGHTEEN, 18. 29. 29. Right? Then 31. THIRTY, 31. ONE, 12. Next is 12. TWELVE, 12. Right? Next, you have to write Here 15. F-I-F-T-E-E-N. 15. Just spell, read and write. Spell, read and write. Spelling ಅನ್ಕೋತ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Spell, read and write. 22. 20. 22. 22. 20. 27. S-E-V-E-N. 7. Right? 44. What is spelling of 40? F-O-R-T-Y. F-O-R-T-Y. 44. F-O-U-R 4. 44. 20. 26. 26. 30. 36. 43. F-O-R-T-Y. 43. T-H-R-E-E-3. 40. F-O-R-T-Y. 49. N-I-N-E. 19. N-I-N-E. N-19. This is 50. F-I-F-T-Y. 50. Just writing the number names. Okay? Take your own time. Understand. Spell it properly. Then sit for writing. Okay? Followed. Once more. Once more. Here, fill in the boxes. Number is given. You need to write the number name. What's the number here? 16. Yes. I-X-T-E-E-N. 16. Right? Here 17. Number name is given. You have to write the number. S-E-V-E-N-T-E-E-N. 17. Write 17 here. Okay? What is the number here? 41. Write F-O-R-T-Y. 40. O-N-E 1. 41. Then 39. 39. Write the number name. 39. 38. 38. T-H-I-R-T-Y. 38. E-I-G-H-T. 38. Now the number name is given 49. Write down 49 numeral there. 19. N-I-N-E-T-E-E-N. 19. Right? 30. T-H-I-R-T-Y. 30. 30. Numeral. 20. T-U-W-E-N-T-Y. 20. 18. 18. 18. 29. 29. Right? 29. Followed. Next is 14. F-O-U-R-T-E-E-N. 14. Right? So somewhere they have given the numbers. We need to write numerals. You need to write number name. Okay? Somewhere they have given the number name. You need to write the number. Okay? I hope you have followed these concepts thoroughly. And we'll repeat here. Write the missing numerals. Missing numerals. Missing numerals here. Fill in the missing numerals. 21 to 30, 31 to 40, 41 to 50. Once more, right? 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Right? We have written numbers from 21 to 50. Next, rearrange the numerals in correct order. Correct order means what? So, number from smaller number to the bigger number. So, here in set of numbers, 15, 18, 17, 19, 16. 15 is the smaller. Next number is 16. Next number is 17. Next number is 18. Next is 19. Okay. So here 22, 21, 25, 23, 24. Which is the smallest here? 21 is the smallest. 21, then 22, then 23, then 24, 24, 25. Okay. Followed. Next is the number start from 35. 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. Okay. Next here the number start from 11, 12, 13, 14, then 15. Okay. Here the number starts from 41, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. Right? Followed? That's good. So now once more, begin from 10, join the numeral, color the picture. Here in the picture, we need to start from joining the dots from number 10. Okay, number 10. Then join all dots and color the pictures. So now we need to start from the joining the number from 10. 10, 11, 12. Right? Then we need to move on to the 13, then 14, then 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. From this 22, we move on to the 23 in sequential order. 23, then 24, then 25, then 26, then 27, join the dot of 27, then 28, then 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Alright, what we did is we have joined the dots from 10 to 40. We have joined the dots 10 to 40, and this beautiful, what we call roller coaster. This is ready. Right? Just you have to make a beautiful colors. Okay? Just see the roller coaster picture. Find the colors of the roller coaster, then color it. Okay? Coloring is just homework for you. Right? Hope you guys understood this thoroughly. Today I had explained you the greater than, less than, greater than, less than, and writing numerals from number names from 21 to 50. Again writing numbers, they are given somewhere numbers, then we have written the number names. They are given a number name, then there we have written a numbers. Then we have written the numerals from 21 to 50, and from 1 to 50 they have given some random order of the numbers. We made it in a correct orders. Okay. Then we have joined the dots from 10 to 40. We have found the beautiful picture here. Just you need to color it. Okay. I hope and I understand that you people followed each and every concepts. Okay, just I am telling once again, watch to this video, listen to it, watch, listen, understand all the concept, think, then ink. Okay, if at all you find any doubts, just give me a call between 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. Till then, take care, bye bye.